Here's your forecast, Los Angeles.
Big cities have two kinds of pollution. The junk you can see, and the other, invisible stuff.
Greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide and methane are invisible. We can't see them here.
So it could be even worse than what it looks like.
That's right.
But you can only see that stuff through a specialized eye in the sky.
So I'm Riley Duran from NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory, and this is Mount Wilson. We're about 5,000 feet above the floor of the Los Angeles Basin.
Inside NASA's mountaintop lab, Riley,
It's RILEY.
and his JPL colleagues
I'm Stan Sander, and we're sitting here in what we call the CLARS facility.
are looking at LA in a way no one has before. This thing
The long name is the panchromatic Fourier transform spectrometer.
looks out onto the city to see carbon's signature reflection.
Sort of like a fingerprint on your hand.
That thing sniffs carbon's signature scent.
If you look over here, you can see a plot of what we're measuring. The CO2 from the LA Basin coming up to this site. Now we're starting to pick up.
Turn it on here.
That's the pump.
It's smelling Los Angeles.
We're smelling Los Angeles.
For now, this carbon observatory is expensive and takes up a huge space, but
It could be reduced in size considerably to the size of maybe a shoebox or two shoeboxes.
this is a truly global project with observatories popping up not just in Los Angeles, but in Paris, in Sao Paulo, three very different cities, but they all share the same problem.
Cities are one of the largest emitters of carbon emissions. Well, imagine maps of carbon moving around the city, just like you see maps of clouds moving around in weather forecasts.
The plan is to track carbon levels in 40 of the world's mega cities.
And what are the trends? Are they going up? Or are they going down?
These ground-based stations, aircraft labs, and eventually satellites in orbit will all tell the tale of where carbon is coming from and where it's blowing, as our planet's cities ask for more and more power.
We don't have basic data right now to say what's increasing and what's decreasing, and are the policies having the intended effect.
This station high above Southern California will fill that gap. In Los Angeles, Dave Malkoff, The Weather Channel.